When life demands fire, do you burn out or burn bright? Because life doesn't always ask you to stay calm. Sometimes it asks you to rise, to protect, to stand, to fight for something that matters. And that's what day 10 is all about. भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे, which means you assumed your might form to destroy the demons and carried out Lord Rama's sacred work. This isn't about violence, it's about purpose. It's about knowing when to stop being silent and when to become the fire that clears the path. Now let's step into Hanuman's story. When the battle of Lanka began, Rama's army, the Vanara, stood against the fortress of destruction. The Asuras, arrogant, cruel, powerful, mocked Dharma itself. Hanuman watched as their darkness spread, their arrogance, their lies, their cruelty. And when the time came, he didn't hesitate. He rose in his Bhimaru, not because he was angry, but because righteousness demanded action. Every strike, every leap, every roar wasn't born from hatred, it was born from duty. That's what Tulsidas captures here. When truth is threatened, when light is cornered, your compassion must become courage. Hanuman didn't fight to prove himself, he fought to protect love. He fought to defend the divine. He fought to restore balance. That's Bhima Ropadhari. Strength guided by conscience. Now let me tell you a real life story. A man once I met, Kabir, he was a corporate lawyer. He was sharp, respected, always the peacemaker. But one day he discovered something. A senior partner at his firm was covering up something, a case which involves exploitation. He wrestled with it for days. Speaking up meant losing his job, breaking a relationship he had built for years. Staying silent meant betraying what he stood for. One day when we were talking, he told me, I have spent years thinking loyalty means silence. But maybe real loyalty means protecting what's right, not who is in charge. And then the next day, he spoke up. Not with rage, but with resolve. Of course, he left his position, but he walked out lighter, freer, carrying his integrity like armor. That's Bhimaro. Not the loud kind that destroys, but the still kind that stands firm when no one else will. How many of us can do that? And that's exactly what Hanuman's story teaches us. Bhima Ropadhari Asura Samhare. You destroy demons not out of anger, but to clear the noise, the destruction, the fear that clouds your truth. And Ramachandra ke kaaj savare. You do it not for yourself, but for the sacred work life has placed in your hands. Because purpose without courage stays a dream, and courage without purpose becomes destruction. But what happens when they meet? Purpose and courage, you become unstoppable. So, how does this verse connect to us today? Every one of us faces our own asuras. Maybe they aren't demons with weapons, but fear, injustice, patterns that keep repeating. There are moments when kindness isn't enough, when you have to become firm, grounded, unshakable, not to harm, but to protect what's sacred. Your values, your peace, your loved ones, your truth. Because sometimes light doesn't just shine, it defends itself. And that's what this verse reminds us. Your strength isn't here to intimidate, it's here to safeguard the good. Say it with me. Bhima Rupa Dhari Asura Sanghare, Ramachandra ke Kaj Savare. Be fiercey for the right reason. Be unyielding for the right cause. Let your strength serve something higher than your pride, because that's what makes fire sacred. That's what turns battle into service. So here is your reflection for today. Where in your life do you need to rise, not out of anger, but out of alignment? What asura do you need to confront? It can be a habit, a system, a fear to protect something that truly matters. Remember, fire can destroy or it can purify. The choice is always yours. Tomorrow, day 11, we will step into one of Hanuman's most powerful moments when his courage becomes compassion and his strength becomes the breath that brings life back as he carries the Sanjeevani to save Lakshman. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one purpose to live by. Jai Hanuman.
Hanumate